All right, once you got it all put together, you got to test everything and make sure that you're good. So I put it on this so we can check the continuity, and we're gonna check everything, make sure I didn't screw anything up. So when I touch these two, it should go to like 0. Yep, and that one's good. Let's try this one. Go in here and here. And there's the 0, good. Let's check this one out. Okay, so what we want to do with this is we want to turn this to the ohms right here. Let me show you. Ohms, and we're going to put it on that lower setting. And then when I hit this, it should be 8 to 10. All right, so let me go ahead and do that. And we're getting a 10.4. That's not bad. I think that should be okay. All right, the other thing you want to check is continuity to see if one of these is arced into the body of the thing. So you're going to touch one of these and touch the body. And if you get a reading there, that means you got to short it. That means that you don't want to put this in there. Now we're going to go to the other one, do the same thing. We're going to check it, just like that. Nothing. So that means that we haven't shorted this out, and it should be safe to put in there. We got 10 on here. It should be 8 to 10. That's what you want. There's continuity on both of these, so they'll work. And then the last thing you want to do is a physical inspection of the inside, which we'll do in a second here. Let's turn that off so we're going to burn the battery out. So we're going to look in here, and we're just going to make sure that those coils are not touching the body. So the coils are basically wrapped around this porcelain. And the idea is that they're free floating in the air so that they heat up and they don't touch any metal in there. If they do and they touched any metal, we would have a problem immediately and we'd have a short. So, and you could start a fire. So you don't want that to happen, all right? So you got to be careful with that. So let's just look, and I think we're pretty good. We can check it from the other side too. So you remember we're dealing with 220 volts of electricity on this thing. And so I think we're looking pretty good. I don't see any, we didn't get a short on it when we checked it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the Samsung dryer.